Here is a question from NET Electrostatics 2018. In this question it is given that 2 point charges plus 2q and minus q kept at a point with Cartesian coordinates 1, 0, 0 and 2, 0, 0 respectively in front of an infinite grounded conducting plate at x equal to 0. The potential at x 0, 0 for x greater than 1 depends on x as option A x to the power minus 3, option B x to the power minus 5, option C x to the power minus 2 and option D x to the power minus 4. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, let solution first we'll draw a one-dimensional Cartesian system. In one-dimensional Cartesian system, let this is our origin 0 and this point refers to point 1 and this point refers to point 2. Now this plus 2q charge is placed here and minus q charge is placed here, and this is our positively directed x coordinate. So in this question our monopole moment will be equal to 2q minus q minus 2q plus q, which is equal to 0. Again, dipole moment is equal to minus q into 2x plus 2q into x minus 2q into minus x plus q into minus 2x. So our net dipole moment, we can write our net dipole moment P is equal to 0. Thus we can say V means potential is proportional to 1 divided by x cube for dipole moments. So our correct option is our correct option is option A, which refers to x to the power minus 3. Now let's solve another question from the NET 2018 from electrostatics. In this question it is given that an electric dipole of dipole moment P equal to minus qb I cap is placed at origin in the vicinity of two charges plus q and minus q at L, P and L, minus B respectively as shown in the figure. So this is the diagram for the corresponding problem. The electrostatic potential at point L by 2, 0 is option A, B, C, D. 4 options are given here. So let's solve this question. For solving this question, we'll first consider the potential due to dipole. Potential due to dipole is V1. So our potential due to dipole is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, and here angle is 0 degree, so we can write P cos 0 degree divided by, and distance is L divided by 2. Here the distance is L divided by 2 square. Now potential due to plus q charge. We will consider potential potential due to plus q charge. So potential due to plus q charge is equal to V2, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by this distance. So from this figure, as we are seeing that this distance is L and this distance is L divided by this distance is equal to B, and this distance is equal to L divided by 4. So the diagonal distance will be equal to under root L square divided by this distance L by 2, will be L square divided by 4 plus B square. So this is our potential due to charge plus q. Now let's check the potential due to minus q charge. So potential due to minus q charge is equal to V3, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into this distance. Now as we are seeing, this distance is equal to B and this distance is equal to L by 2, so we can write that will be minus q divided by under root L square divided by 4 plus B square. So our resultant potential will be will be equal to V will be equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, which is equal to 1 divided by pi epsilon naught q divided by L square plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by under root L square divided by 4 plus B square minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q divided by under root L square divided by 4 plus B square. Now this two term will get cancelled. After cancelling, we can find that our net resultant potential V will be equal to 1 divided by pi epsilon naught into q divided by L square. So from our option, it is given that not q, that is q, means p cos theta, that is equal to p by L square. Now from our option 3 is correct option. So our correct option is option C.